decided to do my project on the effect of milk chocolate chips versus semi-sweet chocolate chips in a taste preference of chocolate chip cookies. I wanted to do this experiment because baking and cooking are two of my hobbies, and I find it to be very rewarding and fun. I thought the best way to test this was to make two different batches of chocolate chip cookies, one with semi-sweet and the other with milk chocolate chips. I had 23 of my friends and family members try one of each cookie and rate their preference 1 to 10. Here is an example of how I did this. Okay, I predict that more people will like the milk chocolate chips than the semi-sweet chocolate chips. As you can see, the appearance of both batches are too similar and cannot be told apart. I used Hershey's chocolate chips, and the only difference between the semi-sweet and milk chocolate chips is that there are 5 more grams of fat in the milk chocolate chips. Here's Michelle and Bree to show you how I proceeded. Both of you take a cookie from the plate to your left.
I love cookies.
It's a cookie. It's really crunchy.
Yeah. Okay.
You eat that cookie, Drew.
No, no.
Okay, I'm done with the cookie. Okay. Michelle, Bree, what do you give the cookie as a rating? 1 through 10.
A 7.
Yeah, 7. Okay. I'm not done with the cookie.
I'm done with the cookie. Now what?
Okay. Now eat a cracker and wash down with water.
Why are we eating crackers?
To cleanse your palate and make sure that it doesn't interfere with the taste of the next cookie.
Okay. Crackers.
You're saltines.
I like that. I rated it on 11.
I would too.
My favorite.
You want to eat the whole cracker?
Nah.
You look like a little pile.
Okay, Michelle, we'll be back in a minute because she's choking. Alright, now while Sarah's gone, take a cookie from the plate to your right, please.
This is good. Very good.
I like died, but... Oh wait, it's this one, right?
Yeah.
No.
Okay, sit down.
No?
Sit down!
Okay! God. Your face.
Your face.
It's a little burnt. See? I'm
Eat the
really-
cookie, okay? You just eat it.
It should.
So, what would you rate this?
An 8 or a 9.
Okay.
I would rate this 8.5.
So, an 8 and an 8.5.
Yeah, 'cause
Yeah.
it's sexy. That's school appropriate, right?
It should be.
Okay.
God, Brie, what's wrong with you?
Okay, say bye.
Bye.
Adios!
After doing my experiment on 23 participants, I have concluded that my hypothesis is correct. The average rating for semi-sweet chocolate chips was 6.4, and the average rating for milk chocolate chips was 8.2, making my hypothesis of more people prefer milk chocolate chips and chocolate chip cookies over semi-sweet correct. If I redid my experiment, I would have tested my hypothesis out on a lot more participants and made sure that they didn't know what kind of chocolate chips are in which cookie ahead of time, so they wouldn't be biased.